हाय गाइस, मैं हूं नेहा और मैं हूं एक ट्रैवल व्लॉगर और आज हम हैं धर्मकोट में। लेट्स टेक अ लुक। जी हाँ, और ये है कहानी डे 2 की। बट से पहले लेट्स हैव सम इंट्रोडक्शंस। सो कुछ मेरे बारे में, फिर कुछ आप अपने बारे में बताना। ऐसे ही ले चलेंगे हम आपको अपने साथ उस हर छोटी बड़ी जगह जहां मन ले जाए। शुरुआत करते हैं कुछ मेरे बारे में। तो मेरा नाम है नेहा। I wanted to take you with me on this journey and many more to come, sharing my peace of mind with all of you. In this journey, probably I'd learn a thing or two about the place or life in general. शायद आप भी कुछ सीख जाए, कुछ नया। तो शुरू करें ये सफर, थोड़ा टेढ़ा बट हमारा, इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपको भी ये उतना ही सुकून दे जितना मुझे देता है। So, let's go. Go ahead, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post a new video. Before I go ahead, I want to make sure that you watched my last vlog. If you haven't, please pause this video, go back to my previous video, watch it and then come back. Hi guys and welcome to Girl in the Midst. In the last episode, you saw how I came from Delhi to Dharamkot, and the next day we went into a short trek to the Gallu Waterfalls, which is a secluded and a pristine one. Today we will see where we stayed at Dharamkot and how it looks like and what we did. So let's go without wasting any more time. There are multiple options to stay in Dharamkot, from hostels to homestays to camps, anything that fits your pocket and taste. We had booked All's Life Hostels. This hostels offers all the basic amenities that one can need, which includes free Wi-Fi, a continental cafe, a 24/7 reception, and the best part that attracted me is the co-workspace. You can come here, work for as long as you want, and you get good packages on a long stay as well. And the view from here is spectacular. Let's see how it looks. Well, not sure about you, but this was my main attraction in this property. What do you want? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you again. Bye-bye. So, as this dog gave me 0 ducks, we decided to go for a small hike as this was our last day in Dharamkot. This hike was not far away from the hostels. The route just went down the lane from Alt Life, so it was easier for us since I was traveling with my sister, my brother-in-law and my nephew, so we couldn't really do a big hike. This small hike, which originally goes to the famous Bhagsu Nag waterfall, which is in Mcleod ganj. But sadly, we were not going there because we couldn't travel all the way there with a toddler. So guys, this is how we spent our day at this serene hippie town called Dharamkot and said goodbye to the lush deodar forest and the immaculate water streams. Next day, we had to go to Delhi via Mcleod so we had to leave a little early. To conclude, I will say that Dharamkot is for people who are looking for serenity and peace, who want to enjoy the chirping of the birds and the sound of the wind. Nonetheless, you will find hippie cafes all around the lower Dharamkot that will offer you food from Israel, Tibet, and many other places around the world. And with Mcleod just being an hour's walk away, you know you can experience the best of both the worlds. This is Dharamkot for you. Hope you enjoyed my vlog and hit that like button if you did. Tell me in the comments if you're a sucker for such places as I am. Also, please do subscribe to my channel as I could really use support here. Help your girl to grow. Ciao and see you with a new place and a new series very soon.